you want to learn more about what's happening in Hawaii, please click the subscribe and like button below. It's your passport to be more educated about this wonderful place called Hawaii. You can learn more about activities, sites, culture, and much, much more.
Here's the problem. 2 times what equals 72? So here goes
9,
Luca.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 60. No. I messed up. Difference 4, myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, how did you get it? Explain. You gotta explain. How did you get 36?
2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 72. Then I count 36. All done.
72 divided by 36. How did you figure that one out?
I cheated. I looked on.
Yeah, but what does that say?
Look, 72, 36. 72, 36 is backwards.
It's backwards. This one is times. This one is divide.
Yeah, but and the last number equals the biggest number goes over here, then the second biggest, or the 2 could be here, or the 36 could be here. But you put the 36 here, then over here, there's the answer for this, but here's the answer for this.